Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you the niche, I want to show you my free print-on-demand Merch by Amazon course that I have uploaded onto my YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel, the first playlist is the free Merch by Amazon course, and if you click on that, it will take you to the course. It is 16 lessons, and it's over an hour of content. I show you how to keep your account safe, how to cross niche, how to find trending niches, how to find keywords, a whole bunch of stuff. So check it out. It's free. The reason I have it for free is because I have 1,000 subscribers, but I only have 1,000 hours of watch time. You need to get 4,000 to get monetized on YouTube. So I will have this course for free on my YouTube channel until I get the 4,000 hours of watch time, and then I'll make the playlist private. And if we check out my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $36,000 in royalties. So if you're interested in the course, check it out. It's on my YouTube channel, the first playlist. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the niche that I have for you today, the trending niche. So the niche is Stuffy Nose Survivor. Now I have no idea why this niche is trending. If someone knows, maybe comment. I remember a few months ago I did a similar video for Tummy Ache Survivor, and that niche seemed to do really well. So I'm figuring this is kind of knockoff on that. I went to Google and I tried to see if I could find anything, and I didn't see anything. It's always a good idea to check to see why something is trending, right? Because I also saw this other niche that was trending. Where is it? This one right here. So I saw that this was trending right here, and when I typed it into Google, it's a Taylor Swift song. Right? These are lyrics. So you don't want to upload stuff like that. But so when I checked out this niche right here, I didn't find anything. So don't really know why it's trending. But if we look at the competition, we're going to see there's only 43 results, and we already got some pretty low BSRs: 258, 415, 632. This is what the designs are looking like. And right now there's barely any competition. So this could be a good opportunity for us Merch by Amazon sellers. If we take a look at if we go to test to see if this is trademarked, Stuffy Nose Survivor, hit enter, you will see that nothing pops up, and the competition on the other platforms is very low. Etsy, I don't even think I saw anything. I only saw competition on, this is the old one I was talking about right here. I only saw competition on Redbubble, so Redbubble will see that there's already some designs up, but only 20. I noticed a lot of them are white. This could be all the same seller. The same seller right here. And if we go to TeePublic, only two designs. So this is going to be the niche for today. Get your designs up. Hopefully you get some sales with it. And if you're interested, check out the the course that I have right here. It's free. Again, it will only be free until I get the 4,000 hours of watch time. So that's going to be it for today. Kind of a short little video. I'm kind of a little short on time. Got to take care of some things. But thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Check out my YouTube channel. And thanks so much for watching. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.